Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk More English.
Hi, friends. We're so excited you're here.
My name is Sarah.
And I'm Jake.
Today's topic is fun and personal.
We're learning about hobbies in English.
Hobbies, the things you love doing.
Activities you do for fun and relaxation.
Everyone has hobbies they enjoy.
And talking about hobbies is great.
It helps you make friends easily.
People love sharing their interests.
Let's start with the basic question.
What are your hobbies?
Everyone repeat. What are your hobbies?
This is the most common question.
You can also ask, what do you do for fun?
Let's practice. What do you do for fun?
Perfect. Another way, how do you spend your free time?
This asks about activities during free time.
Everyone say, how do you spend your free time?
Great. Now let's learn how to answer.
You can say, my hobby is.
Or I like, or I enjoy.
Let's practice. My hobby is reading.
Good. Now say, I like playing sports.
Perfect. You can also say, I enjoy cooking.
Excellent. Now let's learn popular hobbies.
First hobby, reading books.
Reading is relaxing and educational.
Everyone say, I like reading books.
You can read novels, magazines, or comics.
Let's practice. I enjoy reading in my free time.
Perfect. Second hobby, playing sports.
Sports keep you healthy and active.
Everyone say, I like playing sports.
You can play football, basketball, or tennis.
Let's practice. I enjoy playing basketball.
Great. Third hobby, watching movies.
Movies are entertaining and fun.
Everyone say, I like watching movies.
You can watch at home or at the cinema.
Let's practice. I enjoy watching action movies.
Perfect. Fourth hobby, listening to music.
Music makes everyone happy.
Everyone say, I like listening to music.
You can listen to pop, rock, or classical.
Let's practice. I enjoy listening to music every day.
Excellent. Fifth hobby, cooking.
Cooking is creative and delicious.
Everyone say, I like cooking.
You can cook dinner, bake cakes, or try new recipes.
Let's practice. I enjoy cooking Italian food.
Great. Sixth hobby, drawing or painting.
Art is a wonderful creative hobby.
Everyone say, I like drawing.
You can draw with pencils or paint with colors.
Let's practice. I enjoy painting landscapes.
Perfect. Seventh hobby, playing video games.
Video games are fun and exciting.
Everyone say, I like playing video games.
You can play on computer, console, or phone.
Let's practice. I enjoy playing adventure games.
Excellent. Eighth hobby, gardening.
Gardening is peaceful and rewarding.
Everyone say, I like gardening. You can grow flowers, vegetables, or herbs.
Let's practice. I enjoy gardening on weekends.
Great. Ninth hobby, photography.
Taking photos captures beautiful moments.
Everyone say, I like photography.
You can photograph nature, people, or cities.
Let's practice. I enjoy taking photos of sunsets.
Perfect. 10th hobby, dancing.
Dancing is fun and good exercise.
Everyone say, I like dancing.
You can dance salsa, ballet, or hip-hop.
Let's practice. I enjoy dancing with my friends.
Excellent. Now let's learn useful phrases.
When talking about hobbies, use these.
First phrase, in my free time, I...
Everyone repeat. In my free time, I read.
Good. Next phrase, I'm interested in.
Let's say, I'm interested in photography.
Perfect. Another phrase, I'm really into.
This means you love something a lot.
Everyone say, I'm really into cooking.
Great. You can also say, I'm passionate about.
Passionate means you love it deeply.
Let's practice, I'm passionate about music.
Excellent. Now let's learn frequency words.
Frequency tells how often you do something.
First word, always, means every time.
Everyone say, I always read before bed.
Good. Next, usually, means most of the time.
Let's say, I usually play sports on weekends.
Perfect. Next, often, means many times.
Everyone say, I often watch movies.
Great. Next, sometimes, means not always.
Let's say, I sometimes paint on Sundays.
Good. Last, never, means not at all.
Everyone say, I never play video games.
Perfect. Now let's practice full sentences.
Combining hobbies with frequency words.
Let's try, I usually read books after work.
Everyone repeat that sentence.
Good. Now, I often play basketball with friends.
Let's say, I sometimes cook dinner for my family.
Excellent. Now let's learn to ask follow-up questions.
When someone shares their hobby, ask more.
This shows interest and continues the conversation.
First question, how long have you?
This asks about duration.
Everyone say, how long have you played guitar?
Perfect. Next question, when did you start?
Let's say, when did you start painting?
Great. Another question, why do you like it?
Everyone say, why do you like reading?
Good. You can ask, how often do you?
Let's say, how often do you play tennis?
Perfect. Last question, where do you usually?
Everyone say, where do you usually go running?
Excellent. Now let's have a conversation.
I'll ask Jake about his hobbies.
Okay, I'm ready.
Jake, what are your hobbies?
I like playing guitar and reading books.
That's interesting. How long have you played guitar?
I've played guitar for about 5 years.
Wow. Why do you like playing guitar?
It's relaxing and I love making music.
How often do you practice?
I usually practice every evening after work.
That's dedication. What about reading? What do you read?
I enjoy reading mystery novels and science fiction.
Perfect conversation. Now Jake asks me.
Sarah, what are your hobbies?
I enjoy dancing and photography.
Cool. When did you start dancing?
I started dancing when I was 10 years old.
That's a long time. What kind of dancing?
I love salsa and contemporary dance.
How often do you dance?
I take classes twice a week usually.
And photography? What do you photograph?
I enjoy taking photos of nature and landscapes.
Excellent. Now everyone should practice.
Think about your own hobbies.
What activities do you love doing?
Practice saying, my hobby is...
Or I like and I enjoy.
Now let's learn hobby-related vocabulary.
Words that help you describe hobbies better.
For sports, exercise, practice, team, compete.
Everyone say, I exercise at the gym.
For arts, create, express, artistic, creative.
Let's say, I love being creative.
For music, play, listen, compose, perform.
Everyone say, I play the piano.
For reading, novel, author, chapter, story.
Let's say, I'm reading a great novel.
Perfect. Now let's learn indoor versus outdoor hobbies.
Indoor hobbies happen inside your home.
Like reading, cooking, or playing video games.
Everyone say, reading is an indoor hobby.
Outdoor hobbies happen outside.
Everyone say, I love outdoor activities.
Great! Some hobbies can be both, like photography, inside or outside.
Everyone say, photography can be indoor or outdoor.
Perfect. Now let's learn solo versus group hobbies.
Solo hobbies you do alone.
Like reading, painting, or writing.
Everyone say, reading is a solo hobby.
Group hobbies you do with others.
Everyone say, I enjoy group activities.
Excellent. Now let's learn expensive versus cheap hobbies,
Some hobbies cost a lot of money.
like skiing, golf, or collecting antiques.
Everyone say, skiing is an expensive hobby.
Cheap hobbies don't cost much money.
Everyone say, walking is a free hobby.
Perfect. Now let's practice more conversations.
This time about different hobbies.
I'll start. What do you do for fun?
I'm really into photography these days.
Oh, nice. What kind of photos do you take?
I love taking landscape and street photography.
Where do you usually go?
I often go to parks and downtown areas.
How did you get interested in photography?
I got a camera for my birthday.
That's great. Do you share your photos online?
Yes, I post them on Instagram sometimes.
Wonderful conversation. Let's try another.
This time, Sarah shares first.
My hobby is cooking different cuisines.
That sounds delicious. What do you like to cook?
I enjoy making Italian and Thai food.
How often do you cook?
I usually cook something new every weekend.
Do you follow recipes or improvise?
I follow recipes first, then I experiment.
Who do you cook for?
I cook for my family and friends.
Lucky them. You must be a great cook.
Perfect. Now let's review everything.
Yes, let's go through all the key points.
Main question: what are your hobbies?
Answers: I like, I enjoy, my hobby is.
Popular hobbies: reading, sports, movies, music, cooking.
More hobbies: drawing, gaming, gardening, photography, dancing.
Useful phrases: in my free time, I'm interested in.
Frequency words: always, usually, often, sometimes, never.
Follow-up questions: how long? When did you start? Why?
Types: indoor, outdoor, solo, group, expensive, cheap.
That's everything you need.
Now you can talk about hobbies confidently.
Remember, hobbies make life enjoyable.
They help you relax and have fun.
Sharing hobbies helps you make friends.
People connect through common interests.
Don't be shy about your hobbies.
Everyone's hobbies are interesting and valid.
Now practice with friends and family.
Ask them, what are your hobbies?
Share your own hobbies too.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
Now you can discuss hobbies in English.
Use these phrases in real conversations.
Thank you for listening to Talk More English.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Leave a comment about your favorite hobby.
We love hearing from you.
Have a wonderful day.
Keep talking more English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.